Hello and welcome to Ordering Fractions by Size. A lot of students get confused because they think a bigger number always means a bigger fraction. So I'm going to do an experiment here and we're going to put these in order from least to greatest. Now this looks like the biggest, so I'm going to automatically put that on the far right because I know that's probably the greatest. This one looks second biggest, so I'm going to put that there. I'm looking at these three. This one looks the biggest. Now these are close, but when I put this one over this one, you see that the bottom one is a little bit bigger. So this, in fact, should be our order. When I flip this over here, you see I have 1/8, 1/6, 1/4, 1/2, and 1/1, or 1 whole. So in fact, the bigger number actually means a smaller fraction, which may be interesting to some of you. This is pretty common. Most students get this. Where they struggle is when you start adding more than one of the shapes. For example, if you were to ask a student, or any child for that matter, whether they'd rather have 2 pieces of pizza or 1 piece of pizza, or 3 rather than 2, they would always say 3 rather than 2. Comes into place with coins too. So I'm going to compare 2/4 here to 3/8. So if you look at these side by side, the 2/4 is actually more pizza than the 3/8. So a better question would be if somebody asks you if you want pizza or cake, you have to say, well, how many pieces are you cutting it into, so you know how much you need. So 3/8 here we've proved is greater than 2/4 or 1/2. So that's just something to think about. Let's try another one here. Let's say 1/6 and 3/8. So now we have 1/6 and 3/8. We know 3/8 is definitely bigger there. It's more and it's bigger. So this is one strategy you have for trying to figure out which fraction is bigger. If you need any assistance, you can get fraction bars, or you should have fraction circles like this in your classroom. Or just do what I did. Just make a circle, cut them into 4 pieces, cut them into 8 pieces, cut them into 6 pieces, and then you can do the comparing on your own. There is a quiz later for you to work on. So thank you and good luck.